everybody, my name is Wilnaris Pereira. Welcome to my program TV. Today I'm going to show you all the food I have in my refrigerator. In my refrigerator I have there are two apples, there is some butter, there is some yogurt, there are many grapes, I have cereal, there is many strawberries, there is a piece of watermelon, I have two box flour, there is some sugar, there are 4 eggs, there is some water, there is some milk, there is some condensed milk, there are 2 chocolate, there are 5 sweet, there are two orange, there are 2 pears, there are 5 bananas, there are 7 lemons, there are many vegetables, no more. Now I'm going to prepare a salad fruit. Now I need a bowl, I need a spoon, I need a knife, I need a table. First I wash the fruit. Now I peel and cut in square the fruit. Put in a square, little square, Now I'm going to, in addition, cereal, yogurt. I cut with my knife. Now mix. Are ready? Addition condensed milk because it's sweet and delicious. Mix milk. Are ready to eat. Now I'm going to serve it in a plate for the eat, para comer. Thank you very much for the watch my video. Gracias.